What's up? Okay, so today I have good news and bad news. So the good news is I finally got accepted in college. Woohoo! I'm excited about that. So yeah. If you hear him meowing, it's my cat Ratchet. He's like, if you saw my first couple of videos, he's like really big. So yeah. So I got accepted in college. I'm so excited. I'm like flipping out. I start January 19th, so yay. Also, the bad news is that I might be moving. Not anytime soon, but not anytime soon right now. Not anytime soon, but pretty soon I'm gonna be moving. Probably next couple years. Too. I'm excited, but because I live in Arkansas, if y'all didn't know that, and I hate it. But yeah, so I might move out of state, but who knows? It's next couple years. So yeah. So I just want to let you know to follow my Instagram account. Not my personal one because that's for like my friends and family and stuff like that. But my main one or my other one that's public. It's called Photos Need Daily. I'm trying to get at least a lot of followers, at least 50 to by Christmas because I only have one right now. At least that's what I checked last night. And if y'all will follow that account, I'll be really happy. My main goal for that account is to try to get a lot of followers, and also try to post a picture every single day of and even like a cat or a car or sunset, sunrise or tree or whatever. Because I also love photography. I don't want to major in it, but I love it so much that I made an Instagram account. I shouldn't have that. So it's called Photos Need Daily. It's PHOTOSNEEDDAILY. So if y'all follow that, please, that'd be really mean a lot to me. That would really mean a lot to me. So thanks guys for listening to my video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll appreciate it. I love you and have a wonderful day.